Hi, this is a tutorial of how to start writing your body paragraph. So pretend this is a paragraph of your research paper, and you found all your information. In my example, I didn't find all the information yet, so I'm just going to use what I have for my example. But don't write your paragraph until you have all your information. So let's say I do have all my information. I'm going to go to the second page here where it says Paragraph Graphic Organizer, and this is an organizer or an outline for how to write the body paragraph. In the claim box, you're going to answer the question. So what type of radiation is the most dangerous, alpha, beta, or gamma? After you do your research, you need to decide which one you think it is, alpha, beta, or gamma. Let's say I think it's alpha. So I can answer the question by saying alpha radiation is the most dangerous type of radiation. Maybe it's not alpha. You need to decide after your research. But I'm going to pretend it's alpha. And then for evidence and reasoning, the evidence is information from your research. So go back to your research that you copied here and pick one fact that you want to point out, one fact that you want to use. So if I said alpha rays are the most dangerous, I'm going to copy this line that says alpha radiation that is inhaled may deposit alpha particles in the respiratory system where they can damage the lungs. So I'm going to copy that one sentence. And then for my evidence, I'm going to say something like, according to the article title, this article was called Alpha Radiation. According to alpha radiation, alpha particles, and then I'm going to paste my quote, and then edit the quote or take out some words so it kind of makes sense in your sentence. Alpha particles that are inhaled instead of particles, maybe I'll say radiation. Alpha radiation that is inhaled may deposit alpha particles in the respiratory system where they can damage the lungs. So all you're doing is pulling one sentence, putting it in a quote, and then introducing the quote by citing where you got the evidence from. So according to alpha radiation, which is the article title. For your reasoning, you need to explain how this quote supports your claim, which was alpha radiation is the most dangerous type of radiation. So you can say something like, this shows that alpha radiation is dangerous to human health, especially if it can be breathed in. Something like that. This isn't the best, but I just wanted to show you a quick example, so I expect you to think of a better explanation. But let's go with that for now for our example. Once you complete all your evidence and reasoning, you should write a concluding sentence for your paragraph that just kind of ties it all together. It's just something to end your paragraph so it's not suddenly done. And then once you're done with that, you copy and paste all of the sentences together. So it should end up as one paragraph. So start with your claim. Alpha radiation is the most dangerous type of radiation. The next sentence would be, According to alpha radiation that is inhaled may deposit alpha particles in the respiratory system where they can damage the lungs. And then your reasoning would be the next one. After that, you would repeat the copy and pasting for evidence 2 and evidence 3. And at the very, very end, you have a concluding sentence that talks about a conclusion to your paragraph. And then once you're done with everything, you copy all of your sources and paste the citations here. This is practice for making the works cited of your research paper. Okay, that's how you do it.